Excuse me, sir. Have you seen my dog anywhere?
What kind of dog is it?
He's black and white,
No.
pink polka dots.
Yeah,
All right, his name's Trolley. Okay.
what's that?
His name's Trolley.
Truly?
Trolley, like
Trolley.
yeah, like Troll, like the troll,
Troll. Okay.
like you're getting, you know.
What lot are you on?
Oh, I actually don't know.
Well, you should probably find out that way if someone finds it and they want to bring it back to you.
Okay. He's probably just out like walking around somewhere. I mean, he doesn't really run away that much.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks anyway. I think the lot is you just got trolled. Excuse me, hey, I have a question. Have you seen my dog anywhere? Alright, well, he's black and white, pink polka dots, and his name's Trolley. So if you see him, can you let me know? Thanks. Where I'm camping is, it's Get Trolled. Excuse me, guys, hello? I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen my pet rock anywhere?
Your what?
My pet rock.
Haven't seen it. It was running around earlier, but...
Alright, well, I named him, he just got trolled, so he likes that name.
Alright, I'll yell for him later.
Alright. Excuse me, miss. I have a question. Yeah, have you seen my pet rock?
Your what?
My pet rock?
No.
Okay. His name's You Just Got Trolled. Hey, excuse me, sir. I have a question. Have you seen my pet rock anywhere? No. You haven't seen my pet rock? Okay, well, his name is You Just Got Trolled, so if you see him, let him know I'm looking for him. Excuse me, sir. Sir? Hello? I have a question.
What's that?
Can I have your number?
What?
Can I have your number?
No.
Okay. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me?
Yes.
That looks like a dog I used to have.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What kind of a dog was it?
Same as that. His name was Trolley.
Oh, really? His name is Sam. He's
Oh.
old Jack Russell.
I thought it was Trolley because I lost Trolley.
Oh, really? No.
Yeah.
No, he's Sam. We
Oh.
bought him up here at a farm, up here in Pymatumi when he was,
That Amish farm?
I don't know, is up there and down a road. I don't know what.
Oh, was it owned by the Trollsons?
I don't.
Excuse me? Have you seen my pet rock anywhere?
His pet rock. Go on and play.
Damn it.